welcome to Net Zero Live for the Devon and Plymouth Chamber of Commerce.
All businesses, I think, want to improve their environmental impact. They certainly want to go towards net zero.
Raise that bar to challenge ourselves and to do better than we've been doing.
Globally, wildlife populations have plummeted by 60%.
And we do need to bring the planet's temperature down by 1.5%, otherwise we'll have real issues going forward, not just for us, but for our children and our children's children.
Yeah. Because you just won't be able to do business unless your investors, your customers and your staff can see that you're being responsible around climate.
But we need to see that problem as an opportunity where we can come, share skills, share what we're doing.
So Babcock Group have recently committed to net zero by 2040.
To put in a network of charging infrastructure for marine electrification for vessels in and around Plymouth Sound.
We really want to give road space back to our communities. You know, we want communities to have green spaces, not just car parks or vehicle parks.
Well, I mean, we had a classic scenario of a business that was using their air conditioning unit at 12 midnight to 2 o'clock in the morning when the whole office was closed.
And there's always this big concern that it's going to cost a lot of money, and it doesn't have to.
It makes you greener, it reduces your emissions, it improves your resource efficiency, and it can save you money. So yes, it is worth the hassle.
Orchards, bird boxes, bat boxes, there's so much we can do with a little bit of imagination to add in space for nature with.
Anybody that's got a large scale roof has seriously got to consider solar PV. It's madness not to.
Design wise, there are loads of things we can do. Where we source our stock from, is it local provenance, grown?
You can save between 3 and 15% on your energy bills.
Charging points available in our area, in the southwest. There is thousands of them.
The Chamber's first ever OB. Yes, it's going to be a hardship because I have to do it from a Jaguar I-Pace.
Smart, attractive, clever, high performance. Enough about me, let's talk about the car. Could you just ask Danny, does he want it back this year or next?
Yeah, I think Roger may have something to discuss about that whenever I let you have it at the moment. But I'll.
And again, all very sustainable. We're looking at EV vehicles, we're looking at active travel, looking at EV bikes as well. So,
where it's possible to use battery trains on branch lines, for example.
So we've got to radically rethink what we need to go onto that mobile phone mast, how we make that float, and that's what we're doing right now.
Seagrasses are acting like a filter to take that organic carbon out of the water and bury it in the sediments.
There's the central character. He is the superhero.
What's his name?
He's called Mushy, and he is a fun guy. Did you do the drums then? No.
Yeah. So Make It Net Zero is a partnership with the Local Enterprise Partnership and Southwest Manufacturing Advisory Service, and there's a great portal of information there around that journey to net zero, circular economies.
Hi Jasmine.
Hi Sam.
So what are people saying on social media?
Right, let's have a look. Dr. Robin Daniels on LinkedIn says, great event. It's so important to help businesses with practical steps to addressing the climate emergency. Thanks, Robin.
Mushy doesn't have a best friend called Peace.
Oh, you said that earlier, and I've been trying to work that one out.
Yeah,
Anyway,
Mushy,
sorry about that.
Peace.
Oh, I see.
I
thought you said peace. I got you now. Right, okay.
We need to remember really that net zero is not a destination, but it's a milestone. It's something to push on from.
And thank you to all of you for watching.